This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I will quickly show how you can perform the compass normal calibration on this drone. So to start, enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now launch settings, here select the safety category at the top and scroll this page down until you'll see the sensor section and compass normal in particular. Now press calibrate in front of this option. Then press start here and, well, take your drone. Now rotate your aircraft 360 degrees horizontally, as I'm doing now, or as it is shown on the screen. Now, once you'll get the next tip, that is rotate aircraft 360 degrees vertically. So do that. Once again, just repeat after me or after the instructions you'll see on your remote controller. You can It is possible that you will be required to do that a few times, since not always the system reads your actions correctly the first time. So yeah, make sure to do that a couple of times until you'll receive the confirmation from the guide that you did everything successfully. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.